times 150 a piece.
Something like that, yeah.
Hell yeah.
Some of them more, some of them less. They'll average about that.
Average about that. All right.
Yeah.
We got Mr. Martin here.
Nah, don't take my picture.
All
Damn thing
right.
break.
I'll break you out of it then. We got Molly there though.
Yeah. Come on, let me show you.
Anyway, people.
I got a bulb, but
What'd you say? 150?
something like that.
150 times. I mean 130 or what?
Yeah, right.
That's a good chunk of change then.
Let me get up there and run them back down here.
What, the chickens?
Yeah.
All right.
Look at that big one. I described it one.
Yeah. What kind is that?
Come on, get back down there so you can see you, dummy.
They missed the rooster.